HubSpot CRM. This is one of the most popular tool on the market where we can capture, track inbound marketing leads. So how we can generate leads from a form of our website and bring this lead into HubSpot CRM so that we can manage our sales process. To do that, I will show you how we can integrate HubSpot CRM into our WordPress website and what are the benefits we can get from this HubSpot CRM. So let's get into it. So to do that, we have to go our website, and as you can see my website, I will go to our dashboard, and after going to dashboard, we have to scroll down a little bit and we have to add this plugin. Let's search HubSpot. And as you can see, we have got this plugin, and this plugin is useful for CRM purpose mainly, and you can also do email marketing, live chat, and form and advanced reporting with that. Okay, so I will just install this plugin and we also activate it. So when you are activating your plugin, they will ask you to log in into their website. Okay, so I will just click access, and I will, as I have already have a HubSpot account, I will just continue with my account. If you don't have any account, just create an account on the HubSpot CRM and log into it. Okay, so I have connected my account, HubSpot account, with this site. So in there you can see all of the benefit you can get from this plugin. You can easily regulate how many leads you have acquired throughout the month and how many leads you have closed. This plugin is especially beneficial who are doing business to business marketing, who are doing B2B and using WordPress for their channel. Okay, so you can also do other things, like you can manage your sales channel with it. Okay, so you can see all of the growth over here. But the main thing is that we want to generate leads and bring into our HubSpot CRM, right? So you can see all of the features they are offering with this plugin. So for that, what we have to do first is that we have to click from form, and when you will click the form, you will bring into this page where you can see all of the form you have created. And if you don't have any form, you will just have to simply click on the create form option, and you will bring into this page where you will can create a form like a standard page form, pop-up form, and this different kind of form for that. Okay, so when you have a form, your visitor can sign up on this form, and you can easily see their information on the contract page. Okay, so you can see that I have a list of contracts who have signed up on my form. So when you have created this form, they can easily import their information throughout this form, and you can see all of your contract. And you can also use HubSpot CRM as a live chat. If you simply visit our website, you can see that you scroll down. Probably we have not in a, yeah, as you can see, that was the chatbot option. Okay, so let's simply say hello. So when you will enable this live chat option, you will get this option so that you can easily communicate with your customer throughout the website. Okay, so you don't have to install another plugin for this chat flow, you don't have to install MailChimp for emailing, you don't have to install contact form 7 for to create contract, to create a form. You can simply do all of these things from the HubSpot CRM. Okay, so after that you will get another feature like email. This particular section is particularly beneficial for if you have already existing uh, contract and you want to do marketing with it. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to create an email. So they will ask you, or you want to create a regular mail, or you want to do automation, or you just want to use it on your blog. So I will click get a regular email. Okay, so from there you can choose different template. You can choose different templates. Some of them are free and some of them are premium. Okay, so let's choose that. So in from there you can easily edit this section. You can easily change your product, and you can easily change all of the links provided here. Okay, and we will simply just review and send and preview. Let's preview this mail. So that was it. So if anyone gets this email, they will simply get this type of email template with this plugin. Okay, so as you have already got a basic understanding how beneficial this plugin can be, and you can also get another advanced option like list option and reporting option. So if I click on the list option, the amount of lead you have generated, or you can see all of this section. And if you have already existing leads and you have convert them onto a sales panel, you can also see this sales process within this sales HubSpot CRM. Okay, so that was this HubSpot CRM with WordPress. So you can easily install this HubSpot CRM into your WordPress website and use it for your day-to-day lead generation purpose, sales processes. Okay, so have a good day and see you on another video.